Now I'm going to show you how to take the stem stitch and make a little rosette. So down here you can see these little rosettes are done with some French knots in the middle, and then the stitching that goes around is essentially a stem stitch but in a circular manner. So I've got my little French knots here and my needle threaded with a different color floss, and I'm going to come up and do the same thing that we do in a straight stem stitch, but we're going to do it kind of in a curvy manner. So we're going to go forward and then stitch back. And then we're going to move around this little cluster of French knots, stitching down ahead and then back to the last stitch. And it just kind of makes a little wall around the things in the center. Beads or French knots or whatever. Okay, so now we're back to where we started. So we're gonna move outward in our spiral here and do kind of a second row of petals. Looks like a little nest. And you can just keep going around as many times as you want. I would say at least 2 times to give yourself some petals. And then when you're done, you can just do one last stitch and bring the needle to the back. And that's how you make a little rosette with a stem stitch.